So, you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, and yes, today we're gonna unbox and review the Realme Narzo 30A. So let's unbox this and show a little bit of quick review, okay? So, let's go, shall we? So here we are, the Realme Narzo 30A. I swear, I'm excited for this. But before we unbox this for a bit, let me check if you are curious about the box. Narzo 30A, nothing here. Narzo by, you guys can see, is by Realme. You guys can see that, Realme, and here's the specs if you guys are curious. This Narzo 30A, this thing have 6,000 milliamp hours and 80-watt quick charge, 6.5 inch display, mini drop, full screen, MediaTek Helios what's that? MediaTek Helios G85 gaming processor and 30 megapixel AI dual camera. And if you guys are curious about the RAM and ROM, this thing has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gig of internal storage. And I also pick up my brother chose the laser black because it's cool, whatever. So let's unbox this, shall we? Focus. There you go. The Realme Narzo 38. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Not a beautiful cut, but whatever. There you go. The Narzo 30A. Get this thing out of my way. There you go. From the top. Okay. Narzo. Feel the power. Narzo 30. Around. Crap. Feel the power. Narzo by Realme. You guys can see this, Realme. Anything inside? Quick guide and important information. Okay, not that important. Get the thing out of my way. There you go. Here's the phone. Woo wee! I forgot this thing have 3 slot of cards. Dual SIM. It is not 4G, by the way. Keep in mind, this is not 4G, and this is not 5G. It's 4G. Keep in mind. Warning that the display is. There you go. Let's unbox this. Let's see what's inside. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Fingerprints. This is actually by plastic. Let me close the brightness. Here you go. You guys can see it. Narzo, designed by Realme. Pretty nice. Let me remove this thing. This thing annoying. There you go. Place it right here. Yeah, you guys can see it. There we go. Let me turn back the brightness. The lighting. There you go. Look at the design. I can say it's just plastic. You guys can see this. The SIM slot. If you guys can see it. There you go. SIM slot. Nothing here. Volume button and the on button. There you go. Already dirty already. Holy crap. Let me place here. Place here. There you go. Unbox this. We have a plug. I believe this was what? 80 watt? Yeah, 80 watt. If you guys can see this. I mean, you guys cannot see it. Crap. There you go. 80 watt charger. And a USB Type C cable. If I can unbox. There you go. There you go. You guys can see this. It's not okay. I can say it this long. There you guys can see this. USB Type C. If you guys are curious. There you go. USB Type C. Okay. Done that. Okay. There you go. And that's it. Literally that's it. That's the box. Not that much. Honestly though. Okay. Do they don't give the SIM ejector? Oh wait, there's something here. Oh, there you go. There you go. I think. There you go. Let's close this up. Keep the box away. I'll keep the box. Keep the box here. There you go. A great display. Let's turn this on, shall we? There gotta be at least a juice. So there's a fingerprint scanner. If you guys want fingerprint, if you guys really want to. So let's turn this on. Gotta be at least a juice. There you go. Realme, powered by Android. There you guys can see this. There you go. Realme. Yes, I have a list. Don't judge me. 60,000 milliamp hour. Okay, it's still turning on. Let me turn on the light, turn off the light, so you guys can see this. Okay. Choose a language. Of course, we're gonna choose English because it only makes sense. Only choose English. There you go. Next. Terms of service. Next. There you go. Connected to Wi-Fi. We're gonna skip this one. And next, I don't want a Wi-Fi system. Skip that. Accept. Set up lock screen. Later. Recommended. Default by. Oh, there's actually a lot. You can do this. Squares, pebble. Exit. The default. Material style or pebbles. You know what? Pebbles are gonna be beautiful. There you go. Next. We don't have imported data. Skip this. This is just gonna be annoying. And welcome to Realme UI. Get started. Not bad phone. No, you're gonna skip this. Skip all of this. There you go. So you guys can see this. Let me focus it. I'm sorry if the recording is gonna be so bad. I'm recording using my phone. Side note, disclaimer, this is not my phone, this is actually my brother's phone. He's not here right now, so I did ask his permission to if I can record the game, I can do the unboxing and reviewing, so he said sure. So if you guys are curious of the specs, it's gonna be like right here right now. This have the MediaTek Helio G85 gaming processor. The GPU is the Mali G52. This thing is the Narzo 30A. Oh sorry, got it. The Narzo 30A is HD plus, not full HD, but HD plus, which means that it's above HD, but not almost reaching the full HD. And if you guys don't understand, full HD is 1080p, while HD is 720p, so it's above 720p. So yep, I can see the speediness. Let's test out the camera. Okay, turn service. Okay. This is so confusing. Recording with your phone, recording a phone. Oh, it's so weird. Hold up. There we go. Let's test it out, shall we? Oh, this is so weird. This is so weird. There we go. So yeah, this is literally just a phone. If you guys are curious of anything, let me tell out the specs. 4 gigs of RAM, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, Helio G85 gaming processor, 6,000 milliamp hour, and 80 watt dart charge. And this phone is a 6.5 inch full mini drop full screen. If you don't understand what mini drop is, this one. This is the mini drop. This is the Octa-core CPU, up to 2 gigahertz. That's not bad. The PPI is 269 if you guys are curious. The nits is 570 nits. This is IPS LCD, not AMOLED or anything. It's just IPS LCD. Keep in mind. Oh, about the camera. Okay, let me close this one. This thing has a 13 megapixel primary camera and also have a 2 megapixel secondary camera. If you guys can see this. Yeah, let me zoom in. There you go. 13 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel, I guess secondary camera, and for the selfie is 8 megapixel. If you guys are curious. So yeah, I think that's it. There's nothing else I can do, literally. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, I guess. Well, yeah. Oops, my bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider liking this video here. If you guys enjoy liking this video. If you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Scroll down, subscribe. That's easy. So I'm gonna end this video here. My name is Nadi Rosely, and I see you in the next video.